Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day. Today I have a very easy, simple one that some of you may know about, but some may not. So what I want to show you guys today is how to show your tool path very easily and quickly. So over in your operation tree, you'll see that you guys have a little checkbox right here. So right here, if you guys just check it, you guys can actually see the tool path that is being shown up. Now, if you guys are going through and let's just do a calculate all real quick. And you'll see when I calculate my tool path, everything is checked on. So instead of kind of going back through and unchecking each one of these, you guys can actually go over here to your operations and click that black box, and it will clear out your tool path for you. As well as if you want to show all your tool path, you can come in here and show it that way as well. So just want to kind of show you guys for today's tip of the day is if you guys want to show a quick tool path on what the operation does, just come over here and hit the checkbox, and that should show you exactly what you're looking for. Thanks guys, and we will talk to you guys tomorrow with your KevCAM tip of the day.